What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And after not posting for a long time, I'm back and quite a few things have changed. Well, first things first, I no longer have the Subaru. I actually now have this 2015 Scion TC, and we have just finished picking up the new project car. I believe this is a 1990 Mazda Miata MX-5 convertible soft top with the pop-up headlights. I don't know too much about this car yet. I just bought it on Thursday. But yeah, she's been sitting for a while. She's kind of dirty, so we're gonna start off by giving her a wash and then taking the seats out and vacuum it. But basically, the wiring harness burned on this. So I gotta fix the wiring harness before we can get it drivable. As you saw, I was struggling to pull it up here. But yeah, this is a new project car. This is what she looks like on the inside right now. There's currently no dash. And as you guys can see, the wiring harness is burned. So that is fun. Gonna have to be rewiring and fixing all these freaking wires. But yeah, she's already got a short shifter in it and everything. Yeah, and it actually came with a couple goodies like an extra door and some coilovers. We'll get into that later. And now I want to get started on cleaning it and then going ahead, taking the seats out and kind of cleaning the interior and getting started on the wire repair. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here she is with the top off. Alright, so let's go ahead and work on getting these speakers out, this bar out because I'm gonna have it powder coated. We're gonna get the chairs out and then vacuum it and start on the wire repair. So yes sir. Got one, this one's full, 2, 3, whatever the hell that is, 4, and 5, and some coins. Yeah, so that's cool, a little bit gross. Alright guys, so I'm working on the car and I go ahead and pop the hood and I'm like looking over here and I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. I already killed it with some brake clean, but where is it? There it is right there. I don't know if you can see that, but basically right there, giant Black Widow, like absolutely just fat. Anyways, so right now I'm trying to take this dash out, the rest of the dash out, or at least this middle part of it, so that I can get the carpet out, because I want this carpet out. It's nasty. And then we'll keep moving. Alright, what's up guys? So made a little bit more progress. Let me get the tripod out of the way. Alright, so we made a little bit more progress. Got the carpet out, at least most of the carpet out. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so here it is, all nasty and everything. We got this out. I don't know if I should just replace it or if I should just break out the power washer and give it a good power wash. I'm not 100% sure yet. But we got the seats out. And then we got the part of the center console out, which is going to give me pretty good access to the wiring harness. This is what she looks like now. Alrighty guys, alright, so quick update. It is 3:18. Don't know if you saw that, but whatever. So it's 3:18, and I'm just going to show you kind of what I've got done. I ended up taking out this fender because I thought I had to get to the wiring, but that was a lie. All the wiring comes in through here and then goes through here, and same on the other side. So I'm not even going to worry about taking the fender off the other side. And then I'm going to have a fun time putting this back because a little bit of damage there. So it looks like they kind of just put it in the best they could. So I'm going to try to put it back to the same way I got it out. So yeah, I got this wiring harness aligned up. I was told that this wiring harness wasn't the same as that one, but I spent some time looking at it and it looks the same to me, so not 100% sure. I guess we're gonna find out because we're gonna start taking it out now. I think I'm gonna start on this side and then work my way over to this side, and then once I got like that taken out, and then I'll start pulling out everything from this side, and then we'll do the same on that side there. So yeah. Alright, what's up guys? So it is now, so what time is it? 5:12. And I'm like halfway through with the wiring harness, almost. Let me just kind of show you how far I've gotten so far. So new wiring harness is going in. I have it through and it's already coming out of the engine, out into the engine bay over here. So you can see it's already coming through. I just gotta make sure I got all of it through. So I just gotta make sure that all of it's through on this side. And then once all that's through on that side, I can connect everything up here and then connect everything up there, button everything up there. And then once that's all connected, then I'll move to that side, disconnect everything, and pull the wiring harness through, and then install that wiring harness on that side. This is my progress so far, and yeah, I'm gonna keep going. Alright, what's up guys? It is currently 8:17, and we're calling it quits for today. Basically done with the driver's side. So as you can see, the fender is back on. Ended up snapping a bolt here, and threads are gone in that bolt. But fender's on pretty solid. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. But yeah, all the wires are in. So all the wires are in from there. The sensor's in here. All this is in. The headlight is in. These wires are in. The headlatch is in. The headlight pop-up thing is in. So everything on this side is in, as well as on the steering column, and the fuse box on the inside is in. Everything down there is connected, and then everything up here is connected that was connected before. And then everything on there is all lined up, and basically everything on that side is lined up too. So now tomorrow we're not taking the fender off because I don't have to do that to get to the wires, but we have to disconnect all this side, and there's a lot more wires on this side than there were on that side, so that's gonna be fun. Yeah. Anyways, so that is where we're at so far with the Miata. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.